Baked Parmesan crusted pork chops. One cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil to prevent sticking. In a shallow bowl, combine the grated Parmesan cheese, almond flour, garlic powder, dried thyme, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to ensure all the ingredients are evenly combined. Take one pork chop at a time and dip it into the beaten eggs, making sure both sides are coated. After dipping the pork chop in the egg, transfer it to the Parmesan mixture. Press the pork chop firmly into the mixture, coating both sides and the edges thoroughly. You can use the back of a spoon to gently press the coating onto the meat. Once the pork chop is fully coated, place it onto the prepared baking sheet. Repeat the above steps for the remaining pork chops. Place the baking sheet with the coated pork chops in the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the coating turns golden brown and the chops are cooked through. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of the pork chops, so it's a good idea to check for doneness with a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, remove the pork chops from the oven and allow them to rest for a few minutes before serving. This will help the juices redistribute within the meat, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Remember to adjust the portion sizes and ingredients according to your dietary needs. If you wish to make more or fewer pork chops, simply adjust the quantities accordingly. This recipe can be enjoyed as part of a ketogenic diet due to the use of almond flour instead of traditional wheat flour. I hope you enjoy your baked Parmesan crusted pork chops. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.